Here I come to be over at IKEA in Plymouth, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler. Two?
This one's
Do
way smaller. Yeah.
Double bend does not work. One. Focus pen does not work. It's a Schindler. It's a Schindler.
Yes, it is.
Phone.
Did I just slow it down? This is a Schindler. Okay, let's do that.
And then we'll do back to parking lot. Here I come to be our elevator at IKEA in Plymouth, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler. It's a Schindler. Here it is.
Oh, that's not.
Hey. Focus pen does not work. Phone.
What?
One.
They look good. Griffin, stop pressing it.
Focus pen does not work. It's a Schindler.
We're gonna go back to the car.
Watch it close.
I centered it down.
That's it.